In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in FigJam. We'll keep it simple and practical. There are two ways to bring a video into your FigJam board, but since adding a file directly from your computer requires a paid subscription, I'll demonstrate the link method, which works great and is quick to set up. First, open your browser and head to figma.com. Log into your account so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, look for FigJam. You can either start a new FigJam board or open a recent one if you already have a canvas you're working on. The goal is just to get to a FigJam canvas where you can place content. Next, grab the video link you want to use. A YouTube link works perfectly. Copy the URL from the address bar or the share button. Make sure the video is accessible. Public or unlisted links typically embed smoothly. Now switch back to your FigJam board. Click anywhere on the blank area of the canvas to make sure nothing else is selected, and simply paste the link. You can use your usual paste shortcut. FigJam will automatically recognize the video link and convert it into an embedded player right on the canvas. If you see just plain text, give it a moment or tap enter to confirm the paste. If it still doesn't embed, double check that you pasted onto the canvas itself and not inside another object like a sticky note. Once the video appears, you can click it to play. The controls are familiar: play, pause, and a timeline you can scrub through. You can click and drag the edges to resize the video so it fits your layout, and move it anywhere on the board to keep your workspace organized. If you're collaborating, each person can start or pause the video on their own screen, and audio will play through their browser. Here's a quick note about the alternative method. FigJam does support dragging a video file directly from your computer onto the canvas, but that feature requires a subscription. If you're on a paid plan, you can drag and drop to upload and embed. Since this demo focuses on the link method, we'll stick with pasting a URL and playing it. That's all you need to add a video in FigJam using a link. Open your board, paste the video URL, and press play. It's fast, clean, and perfect for workshops, reference material, or team reviews without leaving your canvas.